Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye, and we are the RC Sailors. Did you know we have a Patreon page?
You probably didn't because we never mention it.
We've had it for a while, and we let people go there and support us behind the scenes, but we really don't throw that out there very often. So we wanted to remind you guys going into 2018 that we do have a Patreon page.
And we completely redid all our support tiers.
Yeah, so it should work a lot better for everybody now. Especially for us, making it easier for us to get content to you guys.
And it's going to make it easier for us to say thank you for your support.
The hobby of RC is definitely one of the most impacting things on our lives. Before we did RC, we really didn't have a hobby that we shared together. We kind of sat around and watched TV, and that wasn't very healthy.
That was really all we did together.
Pretty much it.
Watch TV.
So when we got into RC, it changed our lives. We started going outside, being more active and healthier, getting sunlight. We also were tinkering with things, learning about mechanical aspects of things that I never would have thought of otherwise.
And most importantly, we were spending time together.
Yeah, and making friends while doing it, which is you guys.
We want to be able to dedicate so much more time to our YouTube channel, and through your support on our Patreon page, we can make that happen.
YouTube is a lot of work, and it takes a lot of time and resources. If we want to keep upgrading our camera equipment, our computers, our editing software, everything going into the world of 4K, we're going to need your guys' help. And you might be thinking, well, I can't really donate much, maybe just $1 or $2. You'd be surprised. That will help us a lot.
If just 1% of our subscribers on our channel donated $1, we could focus 100% of our time on our YouTube channel and make it full-time.
But for those of you that do want to step it up and just help out a little bit more, we have a reward system on Patreon for you guys set in place just to say thank you for what you're doing to back what we are doing.
Nate and I spread ourselves thin. We both work, we both do YouTube, and we do wedding videography to help make ends meet. And we are coming to you asking for your help so you can help us make our dream a reality.
If at any point in time over the last 5 years we've helped you decide what to buy, you've enjoyed the hobby.
Or what not to buy.
What not to buy too, and we've saved you some money, then be sure to swing by and say thanks if you can. If not, if you can't afford it, we understand, and we appreciate your views. And we are glad to just have you here on the channel as a subscriber. We absolutely cannot believe the community that we've built here at the RC Sailors YouTube channel. It's been amazing, all the friends that we've made and the people that believe in us and support what we are doing. And we absolutely couldn't do it without you guys. 100% you are the backbone of what we do. If you're watching this video, then you are amazing. Thanks a lot for watching and for your support. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!